Create a built-in look with counter depth design that fits flush with surrounding cabinetry. Find ingredients and groceries easily with showcase LED lighting positioned throughout the interior to spotlight your favorite foods and containers. Leave the measuring cups in the drawer with the precise fill setting that dispenses an exact amount of water with just a touch. Brew your favorite morning latte from a Keurig K-Cup brewing system, built directly into the refrigerator. Enjoy some uninterrupted me time and preheat hot water from your refrigerator for herbal tea using your smart device. Steep a relaxing herbal tea with an adjustable hot water dispenser that provides precise temperatures and measurements.
The Kenmore Elite Black Stainless Refrigerator features a progressive style that blends seamlessly into any kitchen decor. The sleek preview glass door allows you to see inside the fridge without letting any cold air out. And the fingerprint-resistant finish is easy to clean, keeping your refrigerator looking beautiful. Airtight crispers lock in moisture, so fruit and veggies stay fresher longer. And dual evaporators cool the refrigerator and freezer separately to maintain ideal temperatures and humidity. Plus, the roomy interior features flexible storage options to maximize space while keeping your groceries organized and easy to find. The Kenmore Elite Black Stainless Refrigerator. Kenmore, be amazing!
Cooks have finally found what they're looking for with the all-inspiring organization of the first ever 5-drawer refrigerator. Experience the luxury of 2 soft, self-closing drawers. The left temperature control drawer features 5 temperature presets for meats, cheeses, drinks, greens, thawing, and marinating. That means you have a customized environment for how you cook. Inside the right produce drawer, you'll find a produce preserver, which helps extend the life of commonly purchased fruits and vegetables. This keeps them fresh and right at your fingertips. This refrigerator also cares for your ingredients with the Preserva Food Care System. 2 independent cooling systems provide a dedicated refrigeration unit to help keep food fresher longer, and a separate system for frozen food. The Fresh Flow air filter helps minimize odors, while the 2 produce preservers help delay over-ripening. It even features a specially designed storage space that creates the ideal environment for herbs. And with LED lighting throughout, your ingredients will be beautifully lit so you can see your next bright idea. Get the refrigerator that has a place for every ingredient, including inspiration. This is how KitchenAid keeps it fresh.
Knock twice, see inside. The new LG multi-door InstaView. Knock twice, see inside. The new LG multi-door InstaView.
From the most awarded brand in the industry comes the new Kenmore Elite Refrigerator with 30 cubic feet of capacity and active finish, designed for family living. The convenient Simple Select dispenser with easy-to-use controls delivers clean, filtered refreshment. Choose cubed or crushed ice or water, all at the simple touch of a finger. The advanced NSF-certified water filter system reduces chlorine taste and odor, impurities like mercury, and over 99% of lead for cleaner, fresher water and ice. The top shelf is all yours with the slim indoor ice maker. It allows 100% use of the top shelf, plus extra storage in the door. Say goodbye to wilted produce with the Kenmore exclusive airtight crisper. Even after 7 days, lettuce is still crisp. A unique gasket and dimpled surface locks in moisture to keep veggies fresh. The full-width pantry drawer with digital temperature controls helps keep food fresh and at the perfect temperature. It features 3 precise digital temperature settings, one for produce, one for deli, and one for meat. The Clean Flow air filter system is 15 times more effective than baking soda at reducing odors. It circulates clean, filtered air to every section for great-tasting meats, fish, and produce. The Kenmore exclusive Tilt and Take freezer drawer provides convenient access to your favorite frozen foods. Its 3-tiered storage includes an extra deep bin and 2 pull-out drawers to make organizing your foods a breeze. Now you can enjoy the beauty of stainless steel without the fuss. Introducing Kenmore Active Finish. It resists smudges and fingerprints, so cleaning is quick and easy. Unlike stainless steel, a door with active finish even holds magnets for the family art gallery, and more. With its stylish good looks in your choice of white, stainless, bisque, active finish, or black, it will fit beautifully in any kitchen design. Kenmore, the most awarded brand in the industry.
At GE Appliances, we know that not all foods are created equal. That's why we created a counter-depth 24-inch bottom freezer refrigerator, which includes Temp Select Zone, a feature that offers 3 specific temperature settings for maintaining the perfect climate. The right temp for the right food. Another way we make good things for life.